Hello guys, welcome once again. This is the second part of the email sending tutorial via JavaMail SMTP server. So in the last video we have written this code and we will go further in this video. I noticed one error in the previous video I have made. In the second line I have written smtp gmail.com, which should be gmail.com. So I noticed that I have done this spelling mistake here, so just correct this spelling, and after that you have to write session. This is a new session we are starting, and you will write session dot get default instance, and in here automatically comes props, which is this variable name, and after this you will write a comma and you will complete your semicolon, and just give a little bit space after this comma and this code, because we are going to write a long line here. So write new javax dot mail dot authenticator, and this code automatically comes, and in this brackets you have to write protected password authentication get password authentication in here, and we'll end the bracket and make new semicolon. This all code you are writing inside this session only, so don't be confused, and go here, and in this you have to write so here you write return new password authentication, and here you will write your email ID. For example, whatever is your email ID, xyz@gmail.com. So here you write your email ID, and here you write your password. And semicolon. So let's see what is the error. Error is here written java.net. So I have to write only this code, and here also I think I should write this only. So write this. This is a one session which starts from here and ends here, and in between you have to write here, so don't be confused, just write this. This is your actual Gmail ID, and this is your actual password which you are using for your Gmail. And then after this session closes, you have to write a try catch block. try catch block and exception E and in here you will write G option P and then you will show the message. And in the try block, now you will write your message. So you will write here message variable is equal to my message, and in here write session. So I think this should be in small and this session is this, so I have to correct this spelling. SESSION. Okay, and what is this? Cannot find the symbol, so I think it must be, let's try it once again. mime. So this is the thing. Oh, I forgot new here. So this is the session we are calling in this message, so don't forget that this session we are calling here. And in the next line you will write message dot set from, and in small brackets you will write new internet address and string address. So in here you will write this, and here you will provide your email ID which you have written here, or whatever name you want to write. So from your email ID you have written, and then you will write message dot set recipient. So you can write set recipient, and message dot recipient dot to comes automatically, and in place of null you will write internet address, and after that write dot parse, and in place of date you will write the email ID of the recipient to whom you are writing your mails. You have to write his email ID. For example, his email ID is abc@gmail.com. and what is the error? Let's see. Okay, let's check. So I think I have done mistake here. Set recipients. So add a little s here, and this is the email ID to whom you are sending your message. Now quickly set your subject and your subject may be hi, this is me. This can be your subject, and then you will write the content of the message dot set text, and you can write your message content. Hi, how are you? I am fine. Like this, whatever you want to write, and then you will send your message. Transfer dot no, transfer is wrong. Transport always do the mistakes. Transport dot send your message. So this line will send your message. This is your message variable, and which we are calling it here. And after your message is sent, you definitely want to show some message that your message is sent. So just write j option pane dot show message dialog, and here you can write message sent, so you know that your message is already sent. Now let's try and run this program. I will change this email ID to my email ID, and here also, and I will add a recipient's email ID. You should do that in order to run the program. So I have changed the email ID and password, and I have written my email ID and password, and I already added the recipient's email ID. And now let's try and run the program. I have already ran the program, and I will, when I click this button, my message sent message should come, so I know that my message is successfully sent. So I am clicking it, and my message is sent, so I know that my message is sent. So this is the confirmation that my message is successfully sent. So in this way you can send a message from your Gmail ID to any email ID, and you can use this code into your project. I hope this will help in your further assignments, and please rate, comment and subscribe, and join my Facebook page also, and you can ask your questions there also. So bye for now.